Alright, today I will be discussing, once again, some weaknesses in today's security. You don't have to be a locksmith or own expensive lockpicking professional tools for this video. If you have a wife or girlfriend that tends to leave bobby pins laying everywhere, that is all you need for this video. I have this lock here, and many of us are very forgetful. I know I am, and I tend to forget my combination quite a bit. I have to keep it wrote down somewhere. But with this specific master lock here, there is a control key that releases the shackle. As you can see, this is a locked lock here. As you can see, spin the dial and it's locked up. Okay, all you need to do is take one of these bobby pins that your wife or girlfriend leaves laying around, whatever, little sister. You strip the tip off of here. You want to make it as thin as possible, and you want to spread this out and flatten it. I find it works a whole lot easier that way. And what you want to do is, whenever you have professional style lockpicks, you want to kind of mimic the basic hook shape with it. So you're going to take just a standard pair of needle nose pliers, and you're going to grab onto the end, and you're going to be bending it in such a way that it resembles, just keep bending it up there, bend it in such a way that it resembles the basic hook shape pick there. Okay, there's the one I have just made with a bobby pin and the standard pick. If you notice, there's a very similar resemblance between the two. Now, you can take the top of a pin and pop the little clip off. You can use that as a tension device. I took a piece of spring steel and just bent it to resemble my other original lockpick tension wrench. And I will be using my homemade tools on this. So as you can see here, I will be using the bobby pin that I had just made, and we'll be picking this master lock once again with a bobby pin, and once again improvising with what you have. You don't need to purchase expensive lockpick tools. This here, you got max of 20 cents involved in here. Hope you guys enjoyed, and that is how you open a master combination lock with a bobby pin. As an added side note to the video, you don't need to purchase spring steel to make this. You can use a standard bobby pin, and you can pick the lock the same way using, this is a spread out bobby pin that I took a pair of needle nose pliers and bent the end over to a 90 degree, and you're going to put it in just like the standard tension wrench, and use the bobby pin just as you did before. Here's the bobby pin. Here's another bobby pin used as a tension wrench that did the same trick as before. So once again, this time with two bobby pins, opening a master combination lock.